you want to know everything about this beautiful pear cut sterling silver engagement ring. Just keep on watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Betsy. Thank you all for being here. Today I'm going to review a jewelry company that sent me a piece of jewelry, and the company is Lahario. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's an online jewelry store that sells engagement rings, promise rings, wedding bands. They sell earrings, they sell bracelets, bangles, wedding sets, all for an affordable price. And I got the opportunity to pick a jewelry item, and I picked a beautiful engagement ring. But before I show you, let me show you how it came packaged. So it came like this on a DHL bag, and it took about a week to get here. I love that they provided a tracking number and a signature upon arrival. And this is how the box looks like. It's pretty big, and it looks like, it looks like a drawer set, which I love. So let me show you the top drawer, how it comes in. So the top drawer is where my ring comes in, which I love. And this is how the jewelry box looks like. It's very, very sturdy. It feels like very, very high quality. And the ring I chose was the pear cut sterling silver engagement ring, which I've never owned a beautiful ring like this. So this is how the ring looks like. Let me pop it out so you guys can see it. So this ring was custom made to my size, and I have fat fingers, so I really, really appreciate the company doing that for me. This is how it looks like. It's gorgeous. It's very flashy yet conservative and elegant. I love it. It's simple yet big and bougie, I would call it. But I really, really love how this ring is, and I like the quality. It feels like it's very, very good made, and it's sturdy. It doesn't seem like it's cheap or anything, and I like that. I want a ring that's gonna last me forever. I mean, obviously taking good care of it, of course. So let me open the bottom drawer. They sent me a gift of a little necklace. It's like a little heart, and they also provide you with a gift bag if you wish to put in your box in here and give it as a gift, which that's really cute. See? They also provide a little brochure on how to take care of your ring, which that's always good. And then they also provide you with a cleaning cloth. It's pink, super cute. It says Lahario on the bottom, and I'm assuming this is to polish and clean your ring good. So overall, I am very pleased and happy with this ring. I feel like it's very, very good quality and really good made. And if you are looking for any piece of jewelry at an affordable price, I do suggest you check out their website. Right now they're having a summer sale, like up to 80% on their jewelry. And on top of their summer sale, they have a 20% off discount code that you can provide at checkout, which that's amazing. I will leave the coupon code on the description box. I will leave the link to my ring if you wish to check it out, and I will also leave a link to their website so you can go check it out. So that is it for me. I really want to thank Lahario for giving me the opportunity to pick a jewelry item. I really, really loved it. And if you have a question, comment, or concern, don't forget to leave it down on the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I suggest you subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. That is it for me. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!